really don't want to do this video. I hate bacon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan cinnamon rolls. Let's get started. Alright guys, I am definitely on Pinterest to get this recipe, so I will definitely link this in the description box down below. Also, if you hear cute little baby gurgles, look who's here. Say hi, Marley. Thank you. I warmed up some almond milk in the microwave for about 30 seconds. It says 1 cup room temperature milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're gonna add 1 of these packs of yeast. Oh, maybe I should mix this first. Hold on, I don't want to mess this up. Mix our milk and sugar. Now let's add our yeast. All right, let's let it sit. All right, it has been 10 minutes. Doesn't look like my mixture is frothy. It was frothy at first and then nothing else happened. About 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. All right, I'm now ready to add in my dry ingredients. This is 2½ cups of flour with 1/4 a cup of sugar, and I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of salt right now. Oh, look, it got frothy. Okay, just took a little over 10 minutes. That's cute. Let's combine all our dry ingredients. I'm gonna transfer this to a bigger bowl, guys, because this makes absolutely no sense to struggle. I'm gonna measure out 5 tablespoons of melted vegan butter. Mix that on here. People do this to relax. This is not relaxing, this is stressful. Now it's supposed to pour in this into here, our frothy mix. Am I supposed to use my hand at this point? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna, okay. Let's use our hand, our clean hand. It said it's supposed to be a little sticky.
I don't know how sticky it's supposed to be.
All right, let me get another 1/2 cup of flour. I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. It just says it's supposed to be a little sticky. All right, let's do another 1/2 cup. Marley, I'm stressed too. I know, I'm stressed too, baby. All right, looks like I only needed about 1/4 cup, guys. This feels pretty dry now, so I'm not gonna use the rest of this until later. All right, I think it's time to take this out and actually knead it, and let me go pick up Marley because she is getting cranky and she does not like being off camera for whatever reason. Okay guys, we are back. And we have our cutting board here, and let's use our reserve flour to sprinkle on top. Okay, and we're gonna put our dough on our floured surface. Let me get all of it. It says knead several times. I'm gonna knead for 5 minutes just because I wanted to make sure I'm doing this right. So I'm gonna put the timer back on for 5 minutes, guys. I'm gonna get to kneading. All right, that's my timer. I can stop punching this thing. Let me go ahead and form that into an official ball here. And it said to take an oiled bowl, which I thought I pre-oiled it, but you know, oil falls down, it's fine. Place your dough inside and cover with a towel. It's not Christmas, don't judge me. Now I'm gonna place it inside my oven. The oven is not on, and let it rise for an hour. Oven is not on. No, it's not for you. Okay guys, it has been 1 hour. Marley is asleep. Let's see. Oh, yay! Let's reflour this. Still the same flour from last time that was left over. All right, dump this bad boy out. I done made dough from scratch. Go, Erin. I still don't want to bake though. So we're gonna use our leftover butter from earlier and spread that all over. Okay. While I was getting my spreader, I went ahead and preheated the oven to 350. I don't know how much. I'm just freehanding. I don't think she said. Yeah, I don't know. Leave about an inch border of each butterless. Oh well. So this is brown sugar. I'm not measuring. I don't know if she measured, but yeah. Let's just go in one time. Now let's take some cinnamon. Okay, go in. Just gonna start rolling like I see other people doing videos. Okay, let's try a serrated knife. Okay, that looked like something. Okay guys, so I have 10 cinnamon rolls all together. The recipe says to let them sit for 5 minutes before placing them in the oven. I guess I gotta rise some more, I don't know, but look how pretty. All right, while we wait on the cinnamon rolls to finish, guys, let's go ahead and make our sugary glaze. So I'm taking a cup of powdered sugar, and let's take 3 tablespoons of non-dairy milk. Boom, look at that, simple, 2 steps, we got a glaze. Look at that, oh.
Smells like success. I still like doing it again though.
All right, I'm gonna try our glaze on just one to make sure that we got it how we need to get it, because again, it's nasty by itself, period. Wait, y'all too far. Zoom in, zoom in. Came through drip. It's good, but I will be honest, I like my cinnamon rolls softer, and I put these on the top shelf, so maybe I should have baked them for just 20 minutes, that extra 5. Like, can y'all hear that crunch? Y'all couldn't, but it's good though. So later, as I was preparing for the thumbnail, guys, I discovered that the big ones were not at all crunchy. They were soft, just like I like. So basically, lesson learned here, the bigger you cut it, the softer it will be. But I would still check them at the 20-minute mark just to make sure that you don't end up with crunchy cinnamon buns. Ladies and gentlemen, Marley's actual mom. Yay!
Let me get some Asian. That's good, mama.
Yay!
Chew it. You chewing it? It's okay? It is. Okay. You want some more?
Okay.
I'm not making them again.
Okay, it's not dry. That's all I wanted. Because if this was dry, I was gonna be pissed. And let me tell you, I done had some dry cinnamon rolls from some vegans.
Oh man.
This is the answer to skin cancer, let me tell you.
Oh my goodness. It's really sweet. It's not dry at all. It's so good.
Yay!
Only thing I would have done, because it's me, I'm an icing person.
Gotcha,
So I
yeah.
probably would have drowned this in some icing. But it's lit.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.